Sirski, hold on. What we got out here now? Hold on. KTM, hold on, look. We back at it. YouTube was popping, man. Today, we are going in a secluded area. Y'all might have seen this spot a couple times, but I'm finna break it to y'all from a different POV. Half the time we come down here, we hit this little loop. We went in the little single trails, but today, I finna try to take them across this lake back here. You know what I say? Yeah. And I found 2 other spots over here ducked off, so shh, don't tell nobody. Today I got my dog G Money outside. Y'all already know what's happening. Dog on the bike or he ain't right?
I don't even know.
Okay. Well, I know for sure we got my boy 250 Kibo back there. We got Danny back there. We might have an action-packed little vlog for y'all today, man. Nice little 70-ish, 68-ish degree weather. What it is, bro? It's about really chilly out there, bit to be real. What we on today? Y'all know, man. The 125 KTM XC mug. We got a couple of little jumps out here we be avoiding. I'm finna smack them today, y'all. Hit that like, subscribe. Don't go nowhere. Let me mix this gas so we can holy. Put these goggles on, it's time to get to it. So the rest of the guys, they're already down here. As you can see, yeah, we going exploring today. Into the dig of it. Oh yeah, we got roots. Roots is gonna be insane. Let me see if I can hear. Just go to the top. I don't hear now. I was like, I don't hear shit. These niggas must have hit the dust. What's up, boy? That shit looks so hard.
Appreciate it, bro.
Just the purple with the boots, with the YZ, with the hoodie.
Shit, I ain't even plan on wearing this hoodie till I'm like, bro, it ain't warm yet.
Boy. Y'all see we got the little loop right there. See you come through right here. You loop out the track, you jump around. Then you come back around right here. Yeah.
Don't make me jump in, cuz.
Yeah, I just got
showing how this 250 is supposed to be running.
Yeah.
Yeah, come out.
Oh! That boy still sick. Alright guys, a lot of this footage today is gonna be from my boy G Money POV. Man, my camera died on me or did something tweaky, so yeah, man. Enjoy this third person and second person POV. And go follow my boy right now.
Yeah, that was good right there. That was good right there. Good.
Good. Yeah, that shit could have been ugly though.
What you got caught in the roots?
Hell yeah.
Bro, just saying that, bro.
I balked right there, and I guess I don't know. I really couldn't tell you that shit.
I feel right there in the rut too.
I know y'all niggas on 250. Y'all got me.
Damn.
What?
Wheel crooked as fuck. It's the wheel. Yeah. I gotta hit it on the tree.
Like on that tree that side.
I hit that shit hard.
Then I'm like, damn. Yes, sir. We out here in the middle of these woods getting to it, y'all.
God damn, I hit that tree hard as fuck. You good though, bro?
It's all good,
I'm
brother.
straight. I'm just happy to be straight.
You dig?
Your boot.
Still clean as day. I said, we in here hearing the secret. Shh, don't tell nobody. But we still got some little exclusive spots that y'all don't know about, you know what I'm saying? Because they ain't cut in and broke in yet. So that's all we on today, man. Bring the bikes outside, having a good time. Hitting some trails that's a little untamed, as you see. Yeah, then we'll get you right here, though. Welcome to the jungle, baby. Y'all see them ruts right there, and it's grippy. So, yeah, we outside with it, man. So they got them vines, bro. These shits is no hoe. So soft, and then when I'm tired of
primo today.
It is.
It don't never, that shit be muddy as fuck. We don't never get to go back there. I just like the fact that when one of y'all go, boom, I can't even see you because sand just go up and I gotta go through that shit.
Yeah.
Out to hit now. Whatever turn you see.
Shit, we
if
keep going.
Get ahead, then start making that turn. We'll go down that loop too.
Bet.
What was he? Huh? We weren't going that fast, was we?
That big got down.
When the last time you seen that section drop?
Huh?
When the last time you seen that section drop?
Yeah.
Boy, I just wanted to
go
as fast as I can.
Through here?
Yeah, through that back section, it'd be muddy as fuck back there.
That what just got me. I just watched that. I let that bitch go so smooth and shit like this.
Boy, if we slowly go through it, and then that shit get deep, then you could just fall in it and just rail that bitch around.
Right. I'm lost as fuck, bro. I'm lost. We're gonna go back and that's
fun.
I know,
yeah.
right? That's just on your ass, boy. On your ass, boy. Boy, you got there. You hit that motherfucker.
What's that green patch up there?
I was just thinking that.
For real?
I knew I could feel something.
Your bike a ride a whole lot different if it's tight.
Yes, sir. My boy said he done popped out today. Man, we done brought them bikes out. The back was a little mid today. I ain't gonna lie, man. You know what I'm saying? You see when that sand caked up like that and that mud caked up like that. Huh? Yeah, I was in green.
That shit kept.
I
I don't know if y'all seen that jump. You used to be so bad, bro. I was gonna just pull up next to y'all, like with my face just caked up. Like I forgot.
There you go.
Riff raff.
All, see all this riff raff with the drip draft. What's up, bro? You good, bro? You good?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Bro bike right here, y'all. He said he got there. What you went down on you?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
6 fractures.
6 fractures.
Yeah.
Shit. You good now, though.
Oh yeah.
My boy said he's straight now, though. He got it over there, y'all. I'm gonna walk over there and show y'all that. We got some nice. See that battery, yeah. It's all good. Boy, that boy got him a piece right here, y'all. This bring me back good memories, boy. My daddy had, I don't know if it's the exact model, but he had something like this, and it was black. And I remember we just be out on this big ass seat right here playing, just me and my cousin just jumping on it.
I found something there with them 3D printed these little fuse covers too.
Oh, for real? That's fine.
Yeah.
Talking about look under there, y'all. Shit. Y'all know when that crank go.
Yeah, it actually sounds good. I just can't get the air fuel ratio right.
Right. You know you beast mode, cause me, I be over there playing with one car and be like, God damn, left or right with the air.
I had to fucking buy this shit. Car synchronization tool.
Damn.
I hook it up to each car individually, and when you run it, it tells you where it's at on the gauge. And you gotta sync them all together.
Yes, sir. That boy said he got it back right.